When it comes to maintaining your car, knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do. While some mistakes might seem obvious, others are less apparent, but can still lead to significant issues down the line. In this video, we are going to discuss things you should never do to your car. 1. Ignoring regular maintenance. There is a reason the car manufacturer gives you that little book when you buy a car. It contains important maintenance guidelines for the age and mileage of your car. By following what it says, you can keep your car running smoothly and safely. Without proper maintenance, components can wear out faster, leading to reduced performance. 2. Neglecting fluid levels. Fluids such as engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid are essential for lubricating, cooling, and operating various components of your vehicle. Neglecting fluid levels can lead to overheating, increased friction, corrosion, and ultimately, severe damage to the engine or other critical systems. 3. Overlooking tire maintenance. Tires are the only point of contact between your car and the road, making tire maintenance crucial for safety and performance. Proper tire inflation, rotation, and alignment ensure even wear, optimal traction, and fuel efficiency. 4. Ignoring warning lights. Dashboard warning lights indicate potential issues with your vehicle's systems, such as the engine, brakes, or transmission. Ignoring these warnings can lead to further damage, costly repairs, and in some cases, safety hazards or accidents. 5. Neglecting brake maintenance. Brakes are critical for safe driving, and regular maintenance is essential to ensure they function correctly. Neglecting brake pads, rotors, or brake fluid can lead to decreased stopping power, brake fade, or complete brake failure, resulting in accidents or collisions. 6. Overloading. Exceeding the vehicle's load capacity puts excessive strain on the suspension, brakes, and drivetrain components. This can lead to premature wear, reduced fuel efficiency, handling issues, and in extreme cases, structural damage or failure. 7. Ignoring strange noises or vibrations. Unusual noises or vibrations can indicate underlying mechanical problems, such as worn-out bearings, damaged suspension components, or loose belts. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more significant issues and potential safety hazards. 8. Never use the wrong coolant. Whether you do cooling system flushes yourself or are just topping it off after a repair, using the right coolant is critical to the life of your car's engine and all cooling system components. The recommended coolant for your car is listed in the vehicle's manual. If you use the wrong coolant, or mix different types of coolant, you can cause premature failure of your water pump, radiator, heater pipes and heater core. 9. Neglecting the battery. The battery provides electrical power to start the engine and operate various vehicle systems. Neglecting the battery can lead to starting issues, electrical problems, and eventual battery failure, leaving you stranded. 10. Using incorrect fuel or fluids. Using the wrong type of fuel or fluids can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential damage to engine components. Always use the recommended fuel grade and fluids specified in your owner's manual to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel to watch the upcoming videos.